I have an amazing math problem for you all, which is square root of x plus square root of y equals 9, x minus y equals 9, but what is x plus y equals to? So let's see, let's name them as equation 1 and equation 2. From equation 2, what we can say, x minus y equals 9. Now I'm going to write x in terms of square root of x. And how can we do that? X is equal to square root of x. I need to write in terms of square root, so I'll just put on square. So if they cancel, you'll get back the x. So y can be written as square root of y the whole squared. Now let me put it back in this equation. I have square root of x the whole square minus square root of y the whole square is equal to 9. Now if you see, this is in a form of an identity. Which identity? That is a square minus b square. This is your a, this is your b, and that's equal to a plus b times a minus b. Now let's just substitute the values here, where a is equal to square root of x and b is equal to square root of y. So let's put it back. I have square root of x plus square root of y times square root of x minus square root of y is equal to 9. Now from equation 1, what do we have? From equation 1 here, we have square root of x plus square root of y equals 9. So let's put it back. So square root of x plus square root of y is 9 times I have square root of x minus square root of y is equal to 9. Let's divide both sides by 9 to eliminate this 9. So here also we have 1. So we get square root of x minus square root of y is equal to 1. Let this be equation 3. Now if you see here, we have got square root of x plus square root of y equals 9. So we'll just put it back here. From equation 1, square root of x plus square root of y is equal to 9. Yes, that was our equation 1. Now let's just add both the equations. When we add the equations, this and this gets cancelled. So you have 2 square root of x is equal to 9 plus 1 is 10. So let's divide both sides by 2. So 2 gets cancelled. Here you have 10 divided by 2 is 5. So square root of x is equal to 5. Now if I just want the value of x, I'm going to square both sides to remove that square root. Square root and square gets cancelled. So x is equal to 5 square, which is equal to 25. So I got the value of x. Now finding the value of y is super easy. Let's just substitute in the equation back. X minus y is equal to 9. Let's put it back in this. So we have 25, x as 25 minus y is equal to 9. So y is equal to 25 minus 9, which is equal to 16. So we've got the value of y as well. So what is the value of x plus y? X plus y is equal to 25 plus 16, and 25 plus 16 is 41, and that's your answer.